Penny with Swiss Watch Expo. Today I'm looking at one of our amazing Breitling ladies watches that we have available. This is a Breitling Galactic 32mm watch. I think this watch is such a great size. The 31, 32 kind of mid-size now is kind of becoming the more traditional ladies size, which I love. I think it's a larger presence on the wrist. It looks great and you can see it from further away, which is always very convenient. This is also a great watch if you are looking to get a two-tone look. This is two-tone stainless steel and rose gold with a diamond bezel and mother of pearl dial and diamond hour markers, and have it be quartz. I'm a very big proponent of set it and forget it, not having to worry about winding it or moving too much or setting it again. You know, this is just a quartz movement. It's really simple. It just keeps ticking until the battery dies, and that's really, really great for me. So this one has a lot of beauty into it. It's got amazing Breitling diamonds for, like I said, the bezel and the hour markers. They just look beautiful as you move your wrists around. It's also got this amazing mother of pearl dial. It's got such gorgeous texture, and to me the mother of pearl is like this very milky white, pinky, and kind of shifts into green almost and cyan as you move your wrist around. It's a beautiful color and it adds that extra bit of texture and life to the dial. Overall, I think this watch is a fabulous deal. It looks great on, and it's like such a neat looking watch. I love the Breitling bracelets a lot, and I really like them in two-tone as well. So if you are looking for a great deal on a Lady Breitling watch, or if you just want a watch that's got two-tone and diamonds and mother of pearl, you should definitely check out all of our amazing Breitling ladies watches available right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.